Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and Microsoft has issued a step-by-step way of getting out of trouble if you have a Samsung PC. We talked about it yesterday that some Samsung PCs, after the last update, have problems with loss of access to the C drive. Now, the app that causes that is, of course, the Samsung Galaxy Connect. That is the problem. Microsoft has removed that app from the store right now, but it might be on your system. You might be stuck in a Samsung PC that doesn't give you permissions for the C drive. So here is a step by step, and it's like 20 plus steps that you have to do. Follow the steps slowly, and as you go through, you will eventually get access to your PC back. So, this is the whole process for the recovery of your Samsung PC. I'll share the link to this in the description below. And so, if you're one of those Samsung users that are stuck, I got a couple of comments from users saying that they are using a Samsung PC and that they have the problem. So I guess this will help, even though I don't know how many Samsung PCs are out there, but it's not a brand that is, selling that many PCs compared to the other big brands. But I guess there are enough to warrant this video. So check it out. The link is in the description. Follow step by step, and you'll have your PC back up and running after you do all the steps that are in this list. One of them, of course, involves removing the famous app. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.